All right, so you're here because you want to learn how to install MetaTrader 5 on your desktop PC. Well, let's dive in and take a look exactly how to do that. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to metatrader5.com/en/download. You can see the address right there, and I will make it bigger for you, as well as put it in the description of the video. You go there, you're going to get to this page right here. And if you just go to the MetaTrader 5 website, you'll want to click download to get to this page here. From there, you're going to select for Windows. Make sure that you select for Windows because we want the desktop version, not the mobile version. The desktop version opens up the full features of MetaTrader 5, where the mobile version does not. So we are looking for the desktop version of MetaTrader 5. When you click on that, it is going to start the download. It'll open it up into this area here. It'll just bring in your file manager. You can save it to where you want to save it. Now I'm saving it to my downloads. So just click save and it is going to start doing the download. Once that has completed its download, you can then open up where you saved it. I saved it in the downloads. You can then just double click on the MT5. So you're going to have this window pop up, which is the MetaTrader 5 setup part. This is when you click the link that you just downloaded. And now you can hit next. This is going to start the installation process. So while it's doing its installation, there we go. And when the installation is complete, click finish. So as soon as the installation is complete, you can then double click on your MetaTrader 5 or say open, and it's going to automatically take you to this page right here. So it should look something similar to this, and it'll have an open window that says open an account. Now, this is where you're going to have to start looking for Think Markets, which is under Find Your Company. Now, if you're following along with this video and you're not using Think Markets, you would have to look for a different, whatever broker it is that you're using. In this particular case, we use Think Markets, so you would be searching for Think Markets. Type in Think Markets, one word, find your company, and you'll see that it shows up down here. Click Next. That's going to bring you to this page here. Now, in your email, so there should be an email that you received from us. You're going to have your login credentials. So I will demonstrate what mine looks like. The other thing that you need to do is make sure that you select the appropriate account. So it could be a demo account or a live account. Click Finish, and that will complete the process. You now have an account that has been added to your MetaTrader 5. And you can see that it's a Think Market right up here, Think Market's demo account. If you want to install additional accounts, you can simply go to File, Open an Account. It'll bring you back to this menu where you can add in an additional broker. So if you're looking at 8-cap, for example, you can type in 8-cap, find your company. There's the 8-cap. That's what we use as well. So you click on that, hit Next, then again, connect with an existing trade account, enter your login and password information, choose the appropriate server. If it is just a demo account, you need to change it to demo, and that will add in an additional account. You'll now have both of those accounts active within your MetaTrader 5 platform. That's the nice thing about using the desktop version. You can have multiple accounts. Another way of adding an additional account, so once you've got your broker set up, so you can see I've got Think Markets and 8-cap already connected. If I go up to File and then log into Trade Account, it's going to open this window where I can then select whichever account I want to go to. I can switch between accounts if I want to, or I can just put in a new login and a new password, change the appropriate server, and then click OK, and that'll take me to the new account. Once you have your accounts installed, you can find them by looking in the navigator. If you don't have the navigator open, you can go up to View and then Navigator. That will open up at this window right here. It says Navigator. Go to Accounts. You can click the plus sign to make it bigger. And all of your different accounts, you can see I have a Think Markets demo and an 8-cap demo account currently connected. And if I open up the Think Markets, you can see I have a Think Market account right here. And there's another Think Market account right there. You can see the different accounts that you have available. And then here's your 8-cap accounts, all the different 8-cap accounts that you have attached. I can now see which account I have live as well in my MetaTrader 5, and that is the bold. You can see that it's bold. And if I open this up, you can see which account is actually bold. So this is the bold account. This one is not currently live. And you just need to double click on the other account if you want to switch over. So I double click, it'll bring up this window, click OK, and it'll switch from the first one to the second one. And you can do that for any of your accounts. Well, that does it for installing MetaTrader 5 on your PC. I hope that helps, and happy trading.